In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Gemini something went wrong error. This error pops a lot and it's annoying because it usually blocks you completely, so you cannot access Gemini. And that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So we will look at a couple of ways how you can fix this. The first way, what I would start with, is you want to check Gemini server status, because if there is some kind of outage, it can be caused by that as well. So you will search for Gemini server status. You can open either this from Google AI Studio or this down detector. And here, if you open this and scroll, you would see some huge spike with many reports. And that basically means some kind of server outage. So we'll just need to wait maybe a couple of hours and then try the Gemini later. So this is the first fix. Now the second fix is you can try to open Gemini with this link, which is gemini.google.com/gems/create. Then you will quickly create this testing gem. You can click on save. And now if you click on start chat, it should force the Gemini to start a fresh session, which can unlock your account. So, for example, you can go and try a new chat in the Gemini. If this still doesn't work for you, I'm going to show you two more methods. So the third one is using incognito window. You will click on those three dots in your browser. If you're on Edge, it should be called private window. In the Chrome, it's called incognito window. So you want to open this and you will search for Gemini. You can open it. And you can also sign in with your account if you want, or you can just try it if it's working without account. And if the Gemini is working in the incognito window, this means the problem is in your cache or an extension. So you can close this and you can maybe click on those extensions, manage extensions, and you can try to turn off all of the extensions you have. If that doesn't work, you can just go again to three dots. We want to go to delete browsing data. And here you want to basically choose cookies and other site data, cached images and files. And you can choose a time frame for which you want to delete it. Then click on delete data. And you can try to open Gemini. And that should fix your issue. Those were 4 fixes for error something went wrong in Gemini. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.